How to use Magic Eraser in Canva. Hi everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to use Magic Eraser in Canva. To begin with, go to your browser and open up canva.com and click the create from the left hand side corner of your screen. Now then, you need to go and select the template. I'm just going to go with thumbnail for this video. When you have a blank space or when you have a field where you could go ahead and upload the image and where you want to use the Magic Eraser. So first of all, let me go ahead and add in the image. So let's see, this is the one. We'll consider using this. So make sure to adjust the picture. After you've adjusted the picture, then click on the picture. Then you want to click on edit from the top left hand side corner. As you click on edit in the left hand side corner, you could find these options in order to use the Magic Eraser and all that. So you could see Magic Studio, right? Here is the Magic Eraser. In order to use this, you need to have a pro version. That means a premium account. So you can go and click on start my free trial or click on I prefer a team trial and enter in the credit card details. Select the subscription plan and tap the next button, and after which you will then be able to successfully use your Magic Eraser. So that's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.